In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a grunge texture to your Canva design. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. Next, choose Custom Size and enter the dimensions for your canvas. For example, you can use 100 pixels for width and 100 pixels for height, then click Create New Design. After the blank canvas opens, you can add a background if you want. Click on the canvas and choose a color or upload an image from the Upload section. Now go to the Elements section on the left side. In the search bar, type grunge texture or simply grunge. Canva will show many grunge style graphics such as scratches, stains, distressed textures, and rough patterns. Choose a grunge texture you like and click it to add it to your canvas. Resize the texture so it covers the area of your design or place it where you want the effect. You can change the color of the texture if needed. Many designers use black or white grunge textures for a classic distressed look. To make the effect more subtle, click the transparency option and lower the opacity of the texture. Adjust the size and position until the texture blends nicely with your design. When your grunge effect looks good, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG or JPG to export your design with the grunge texture applied.